How to create and reskin VPN mobile app. Watch the video till the end, subscribe and check the course on the description.
So we're here. Let's navigate on our app and check other features. So what we're going to check now is the package name as a package under Android manifest. We have done this several times. So we're going to change the package name. As you can see, we have JSON. So when we change the package name, we must reintegrate our app to Firebase. This is the package name, which is here in our Google service file. Let me show you again. Okay, there's two ways we can do this. We can tick this and rename it manually, or we use the other way around. So when you tick that, you can rename from here, or you'll see it in next app Reskin. So let's use the method of keypad. Mistakenly add something there, so that's what I did to correct it. In order to change this name direct from Android manifest layout, what you do is you click on it, press on your keyboard Shift plus F6, change the name and tick those boxes. You wait for Android Studio to look for the name you have just changed and update it as usual. Then you click on Do Refactor. I'll probably change this one, so we're going to do the same thing here. Click on it, press on your keyboard Shift plus F6. Sorry, that is not acceptable. So I just want to show you something. You cannot just change the name like that. You must do it the normal way. So just click on it, press Shift plus F6. This box will pop up. Then put the name you like, let's say Pro VPN. Then search in and also search for test occurrence. Click Refactor. You look down and click on Do Refactor. Wait for Android Studio to update the name you just changed. Could have successfully changed our app name, but you can see it's not different from the name here, the package name here. So because of that, we have to integrate our app with Firebase and create our project on Firebase and then continue. Let's just clean this project to make sure that what I've done there's no problem either. Before we go ahead, you can still do other things. Change the app name itself. Understand the difference between the app name, that is the name being displayed, and the package name. So app name is different from package name. This is the app name. Let's change it as well. Let's say something like Pro VPN. Check the description. Change it to the name you choose. Pro VPN. Have VPN there, so how to have Pro VPN. That's the name I choose. So you can decide to choose your own name. That's your description, so you know what fits there. Make sure you use something that is very catchy, so that the users of your app will always come back to download more from your Play Store account. I'm trying to get something that is very catchy. This is the copyright or right received. You change it as well to your own Gmail or your own account name, whichever one. Let's separate Admob codes from other ones. This 3 is the Admob. I've done that severally. I'll still do it again. Have an interstitial banner and the Admob ID. So let's create that. I'll create Admob. Remember, this app already has everything it needs. The only thing you're going to change is just the what I call CA ID. CA app pop ID. So this is the Admob ID. Copy it. Remember, this particular one is for testing purposes. So in your own case, you're going to use your own, which is live. This is a testing account. We replace it here. There's something about Admob. Once the testing one work, any other one you put will also work. So we'll copy banner also. Let's copy the banner ID. We scroll down and look for the ID. Look at the ID here. We have to copy it and replace with the one we already have on Android there. Project. Make sure you add it where it says banner add unit or anything banner. We'll replace this one and we'll do the same thing on the last one. You scroll down to get the ID. This is the ID. Copy it from here. And replace the one inside our app. So the next thing, we check other tests, which one to change and which one not to change. As you can see them, you can see the contact. So you can see other ones. Make sure you navigate it very well to know the one you will change. It's not everything here that is necessary to be changed, but make sure you change the necessary ones. It's not a must that you change everything. But ensure to change the necessary ones. But if you feel that you know the grammar, the English, more than the developer, you may change everything. As you can see, we're checking it, taking it one after the other. Let's pay attention here. This thing you see here is just like CSS and the HTML code. So all this information reviews what the app is talking about and what the app can do and what it cannot do, and how it can display on different devices, like different version of Android. Make sure you navigate through. It's not a rocket science, but make sure you take your time. Be careful as you reskin, you modify and rename, and also edit the text. You can follow the text from where it starts to where it stops. So I think I've done it enough. So the next thing we're going to do now is to work on our Firebase. Thank you.